dengan anak Tuhan Maha Esa dan dengan penuh kebenaran.
Dan atau dipandang perlu untuk dilakukan perubahan akan
What up, world? It's your boy, just one of the guys down here. Well, I could be more specific. I'm a human. And I just wanted to, for the sake of all of us earthlings out there, just wanted to say, we love the earth, it is our planet. We love the earth, it is our home. We love the earth, it is our planet. We love the earth, it is our home.
Hi, I'm a baboon. I'm like a man, just less advanced, and my anus is huge.
Hey, I'm a zebra. No one knows what I do, but I look pretty cool in my white or black.
I'm a lion cub, and I'm always getting licked. Meow.
How's it going? I'm a cow. You drink milk from my tits. I'm a fat fucking pig.
I'm a common fungus.
I'm a disgruntled skunk, shoot you out my butthole.
I'm a marijuana plant, I can get you fucked up.
And I'm Kanye West.
We love the earth, it is our planet. We love the earth, it is our home. We love the earth, it is our planet. We love the earth, it is our home. We love the earth.
We are the vultures, feet on the dead. We're just some rhinos, funny as heck.
I'm just a giraffe, what's with the snake?
Hippity hop, I'm a kangaroo. How about that? Up and down with you. I'm an elephant, I got junk in my trunk.
What the fuck am I clown?
I'm a squirrel looking for my next nut.
And I'm a pony, just a freak horse.
But, come on, get on.
Yeah, giddy up, let's ride.
HPV, don't let me in. I'm a koala and I sleep all the time. So what? It's cute.
We love you, India.
We love you, Africa.
We love you, China.
We forgive you, Germany. Earth, it is our planet. We love the earth.
We love the earth.
It is our home. We love the earth. It is our planet. We love the earth. It is our home. We love the earth. I'm a man. Hello. Can you hear me?
Anyone out there? Hello?
I've trudged the earth for so damn long and still don't know shit. I hope it's not a simulation. Give each other names like Ahmed and Pedro. And yeah, we like to wear clothes, girls still look beautiful. And it covers up our human dick. Eat a lot of tuna fish, but these days it's like we don't know how to act. All these shootings, pollution, we under attack on ourselves. Like let's all just chill, respect what we built. Like look at the internet, it's cracking as hell. Fellas, don't you let it come when you have sex. And I heard women orgasms are better than a dick's. So what we gotta slam for, what we gotta stand for? Love,